Welcome back. This is a small tutorial for one of the programs in Unibasic. Okay, so today we are going to learn how to reverse a string using the Unibasic programming. Okay, so let's start with the program, and I'm not going to take much time. Before that, I hope you might have subscribed to our channel. Please watch the playlist for Pickbasic programming. Uh, to understand all the concepts that I've shared so far. So I'm jumping to that. So you have to make sure that you have watched all these tutorials before you could understand what I'm going to share today. Okay. So we are going to write a program. So you might have definitely done this in any other programming language, but we are going to do it today in Unibasic. Okay. So we are going to write a program. Okay, so what we are going to do is we are going to accept the string first, of course. So enter the string to reverse that you want to string that you want to be reversed. Okay, so and then you can take it at a certain place like 5, 3 so that to make it look better. And at the same time, you can clear the screen to get a blank screen. Okay, so we are accepting the value first, str. I'm storing it into str1. Now what we are going to do, we are going to initialize a result array which will store the reversed string value. Okay, so now what we are going to do, it's very simple. You are just going to reverse the string. So basically we are going to take the string substring and store in reversibly into a different array. Okay, so I'll run a loop. So for I equal to so I'll take it to the length of string. So I'm going to the end of the string to 1. Okay, to 1, and then step will be -1. Right, so we are going to the end of the string using the length command, and then we are going to decrement it to 1 by using the step -1, and then of course we are going to use the next I. Okay, so now what we are going to do, I am going to store the value of string 1, and that will be, and the I will be where it will be at the end of the string. So basically I am going to the end of the string length, and from there I am taking the first character. Okay, like you know how it works. So it will be like the position, and the second will be length. Now this is the value I will get, and where I'm going to store it, I'm going to store it into the array that I have initialized. Okay, and that will be stored in the first value of j. Okay, so now again you have to initialize j also. So j equal to 1, and then we are going to increment the j. Okay, let me check how it works. So it is very simple. All you have to do is take the last substring of the string and store it into a different array. Okay, and then you know decrement the step by 1 and go back to the second last, and likewise till the first element of the string is stored into a different array, and then we are going to increment the j so that all the values are stored in array. Okay, and then finally we are going to display. So we are going to say you know reversed string is okay, so reverse string is arr. Okay, so let me check how it works. I have not completed the whole program. Just try to understand how it works. So, instead of that, I always like to use a. Okay, so now we have this program here. So if I just do fib, so to check if there is any error, no. Just do fibr, and see we're running the program, enter the string to reverse. So let's say, Wipro. So you see the reverse string is Wipro. It has been reversed. So it is displaying on the same screen. So let me just make it a bit better. Okay, so I'm going to top and print. See here. So one second, let me clear the screen. Does not look good. Okay, this is my screen. Okay, so what I'm going to do, okay, let's accept the string on the same line. So for to do that, all I have to do is just append colon, and then it will be accepting the value on the same line, and then to make a display, so we already have got the reverse string, and it is having an attribute mark. So before I make a display, let's just convert @am in ARR to blank in ARR. Okay, okay. Let me see if it works. So let's say I'm entering, Ancora. See, the reverse string is Ancora. Yeah, it looks good. It's pretty simple. Now the display also looks good. So what I have done so far, I have taken the string, and this first line is to clear the screen. Second line is prompting the prompt at 5 3 fifth column, third row. Enter the string, input string value. I have initialized a result array which will store the reversed value. Now I am traversing through the string from the end to the beginning using the length. So when I use the length, so it is giving me so complete length. So if the string is of 6 character long, so I'll go to the end sixth position to 1, and I'm decrementing it by one. And str1, its I is at sixth position if the length is 6, and then 1 is the length. Okay, so position and length. So I'm getting the last value, storing it into ARR j. So j will start from 1 and it will be incremented. So every value is stored into ARR. Now, since it is a dynamic array, it will have a @am mark. So I've just removed that @am mark using this convert command, and I'm getting the reverse strings. As simple as that. I'll run it one more time. Reverse. So let's say Google. Okay, it has reverse. It's very simple. If you have any question, you can directly ask me in the comment section. And if you have another way, a better way, please feel free to comment. And please subscribe to this channel. That is Linux, Unix, AIX. Okay. Thank you for watching.